Are you working harder than ever, but your bank account just isn't keeping up? You put in the long hours, you do great work, and you're exhausted by the end of the week. But you still feel stuck, frustrated, and wondering what you're doing wrong. You see other people making huge financial leaps, and it feels like they know a secret that you don't. What if I told you there's a way to change all that? A way to not just increase, but potentially double your income. And what if that secret wasn't about working harder, but about rewiring your entire approach to money and growth? The truth is, there isn't one single trick, but a series of powerful strategies and a disciplined mindset that separates the stagnant from the soaring. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're proven frameworks for rapid, sustainable growth, and you can start using them today. We're going to break down 3 core ideas that will fundamentally change how you build your financial future. So, if you're ready to stop feeling stuck and start seeing real growth, let's get into it. The mindset shift. From trading time to building assets, the first and most important secret isn't a tactic, it's a massive shift in how you think. Most people are trapped in a simple loop, trading time for money. 1 hour of work equals 1 hour of pay. In that model, the only way to make more is to work more, which is a direct path to burnout. High-growth individuals and successful entrepreneurs think differently. They focus on building and acquiring assets. An asset is something that makes money for you, whether you're actively working or not. This is the crucial difference between active income and passive or scalable income. Think of it like this: your 9-to-5 job pays you active income. If you stop working, the money stops coming in. But an asset, like an investment portfolio or a digital product, can earn you money while you sleep. The goal is to use your active income as a tool, not just for your living expenses, but to buy or build these income-generating assets. This is often called paying yourself first, but it's more than just saving. It's about immediately putting a chunk of your income into investments before you have a chance to spend it. The strategy begins by creating a bigger gap between what you earn and what you spend. This isn't just about hardcore budgeting, it's about intentionally freeing up cash you can put to work. Every dollar you save this way becomes a seed you can plant in an asset that grows. This mental flip, from seeing your job as your only income source to seeing it as the engine that funds your assets, is the foundation. It's the difference between running on a hamster wheel and building a rocket ship. You have to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an investor in your own life. The income engine, forging your freedom through scalable systems. Once you've got the asset building mindset down, the next secret is to build the actual engines that will generate this new income. This isn't about picking up a few extra shifts. It's about creating scalable systems. Scalability is everything. You want to build something once and get paid for it over and over with very little extra effort. This really breaks down into 2 parts: active scalable income and passive investment income. First, let's talk about a high-value side hustle. But not all side hustles are created equal. Driving for a rideshare or delivering food isn't really scalable, you're still just trading your time for money. To truly multiply your income, you need to focus on skilled work that can scale. Today, the best side hustles are often digital and can be automated. Think about creating and selling things like ebooks, online courses, or design templates. You do the hard work up front to create the product, but then you can sell it an infinite number of times. With platforms like Shopify or Kajabi, this is more accessible than ever. Another great option is affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or a social media account, you can earn a commission for recommending products, and that can become a serious income stream as your audience grows. AI has also opened up brand new doors. People are making good money offering AI-powered services, like content creation or AI spokesperson videos, right from their own homes. The second part of your income engine is building passive income through investing. This is where your money really starts to work for you. And I'm not talking about risky day trading. I mean consistent, strategic investing in assets that produce cash flow. A great place to start is with dividend-paying stocks or funds. These are solid companies that pay you a portion of their profits just for being a shareholder, giving you a regular income stream. Real estate is another classic, either through rental properties or, more easily, through real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs let you invest in a whole portfolio of properties without having to be a landlord. For those okay with a bit more risk, peer-to-peer lending platforms can also offer steady returns. By consistently funneling money into these investments, you build a powerful, automated engine that grows your wealth over time. I know these strategies are powerful, but jumping into a scalable side hustle can feel like a lot. To help you get going, I've put together a free, one-page guide called the Scalable Side Hustle Starter Kit. It breaks down 5 high-potential ideas you can explore in 2025. You can download it for free at the link in the description. Secret, the growth multiplier, systematizing your success. This third secret is for anyone who is, or wants to be, an entrepreneur, or even an intrapreneur looking to make a huge impact inside their company. It's about taking these same ideas of scalable systems and applying them to a business. This is the growth multiplier. Growing a business rapidly isn't about luck, it's about smart planning, using technology, and executing with precision. First, you need a clear, data-driven plan for growth. Companies that know their numbers are the ones that scale successfully. This means using data to figure out your most profitable products, customers, or markets, and pointing all your resources there. It's not about doing everything, it's about doing the right things. Modern businesses are even using tools like AI-enhanced scenario planning to simulate different market conditions so they can make smart moves proactively instead of just reacting. A great example of a system is the 5-5-5 method. This framework suggests that by increasing your sales by just 5%, improving your profit margins by 5%, and cutting your overhead by 5%, you can often double your net profit. It's a simple idea, but it shows how small, smart tweaks across the business can lead to huge results. Second, you have to lean into digital innovation and strategic partnerships. Today, your digital footprint is your storefront. Investing in digital marketing, like SEO, content marketing, and e-commerce, is essential for reaching new customers and building a global brand. Just look at how companies like Airbnb and Netflix use digital-first strategies to completely take over their industries. Partnerships are another amazing growth tool. Working with a complementary business can give you immediate access to their customers, their technology, or their distribution channels. The alliance between Starbucks and Nestlé is a perfect example of how both companies expanded their reach together. Finally, you have to build an operation that can handle growth. Exploding with popularity can actually break a business if it can't keep up. This means investing in scalable tech like cloud computing and automation to handle more demand without a ton of extra manual work. It also means having solid processes for hiring and training so you can grow your team without losing your company culture. Without that strong foundation, you risk collapsing under the weight of your own success. The secret to doubling your income isn't some lottery ticket fantasy or about working yourself to the bone. It's about making a deliberate, strategic transformation in how you operate. It starts with that fundamental mindset shift. You have to stop trading your time for money and start building income-generating assets. Next, you build your income engines. That means creating scalable side hustles, like digital products or AI-driven services, while consistently investing in passive streams like dividend stocks or real estate. And for those on the entrepreneurial path, it's about applying these principles at a larger scale, using growth multipliers like a data-driven strategy, digital innovation, and systems that can handle success. Each of these secrets builds on the last, creating a powerful flywheel for creating wealth. It takes discipline, a desire to keep learning, and the guts to think differently. But the path is clear. You have the power to redesign your financial life, to stop feeling stuck, and to start building the future you actually want. The growth you're looking for is not only possible, it's waiting for you to begin. If this video gave you a new way to think about building wealth, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel reach more people. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos about financial growth and strategy. Now for today's question, what is one income generating asset you're going to start building this year? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.